one for the pain I never speak, for the love I lost, for the grave I vision when I feel weak. When I was a kid, mom used to wake me up, wash my face, feed my plate, tell me son stand up. Got my little hand while we walked to school. Her love was warm, made our hard world cool. She dressed me right, made sure I ate, kissed my head, said don't be late. Back then I never knew what I had, now every memory hit me so sad. Mom was my world, now my world feel gone. I'm living in a house but it don't feel like home. Money come and go but you never come back. Only your love stay deep in my heart like that. I cry inside but I don't let it show. When the pain gets heavy to your grave I go. Fake world, cold nights, I'm just looking for love. Mom, I hope you hear me from above. Since you died, mom, I've been on my own. Wake up late, no food, just a silent home. Some days hungry, no pocket money. Everybody changed, not nobody for me. Daddy got married, stepmom don't care. I feel like a burden when I'm standing there. They look at me like I'm just headache and stress, but they don't see the pain underneath my chest. I miss how you loved me with no condition. Now I'm stuck in a life full of cold decisions. I needed a hug but they gave me space. I needed your voice but I see your grace. Mom was my world, now my world feel gone. I'm living in a house but it don't feel like home. Money come and go but you never come back. Only your love stay deep in my heart like that. I cry inside but I don't let it show. When the pain gets heavy to your grave I go. Fake world, cold nights, I'm just looking for love. Mom, I hope you hear me from above. I don't need gold, I don't need fame. I just want love that remember my name. I just want peace when I'm feeling low. Someone to ask me, how did your day go? But life don't answer it, just move on. Everybody here but the real one gone. Still I carry your love like a light in the dark. Mom, you're not here but you live in my heart. So I walk to your grave when the world turns cold. Tell you the things that I never told. Mom was my world, and I still feel the same. Till my last breath, I remember your name. Baba Shahdat say